Social media is a great place for the first stage of the buyer's journey, awareness, where someone discovers your brand, product, or services. However, because of the level of personalization email can provide, much of the later stages of the buyer's journey, like consideration and decision, happen best over email.
That's right, and social media can reach new fans, but email can nurture those fans into customers, clients, or repeat business. And in this lesson, email marketing versus social media, we will show how the two can work together as we explore AI and email marketing.
Now, did you know that according to the Direct Marketing Association, 66% of online shoppers make a purchase after receiving an email message?
Are you one of those?
Yes, guilty.
Guilty, and that's a big stat.
Yes, it shows how email remains the most effective way to remind, inform, and nurture a sale. Any good marketing plan should aim to have those channels, including social media and email, working together. And this is where AI can step in and make that synergy easier.
We love synergy. One way is to claim all social media accounts. Don't leave them out there without that going on. That's step one. And prompt AI chatbots like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Gemini to help you think of current and upcoming social media platforms you should use based on your business and the audience you're looking to reach. And then, with that list, ask AI to optimize your social media based on your current social presence. And an example of this, of a prompt, I know you want it, might be, based on my business, industry, and target market, suggest social media accounts we should create, including new and upcoming platforms. Then suggest usernames for those accounts and the first entry post for each. Now, if you've chosen to register your domain with GoDaddy, our new AI-powered experience, GoDaddy Airo, will spin up several suggestions for the perfect social handles.
I know that's right. And in addition, ask for suggestions on how to update all your social accounts to keep them current and freshy fresh. Now, should you change the description, bio, image, you want to make sure you pin a post informing and redirecting them to more active social platforms. Ask AI for the best approach for your target audience.
And it doesn't stop there. Then you can use social media to drive followers to your email list, which is a really cool idea.
Oh.
And this should be the primary goal of your social media outside of brand awareness. And in ChatGPT or a similar generative AI model, just enter some of your popular posts, a snippet about your business, and the social platforms on which you have the most followers. Then have the AI bot suggest posts that will convert followers into email signups based on that information.
Okay, dropping knowledge today.
Brilliant.
I love it.
Brilliant.
Leverage link trees to make it easy for followers to access your email sign up and content. GoDaddy has a link in bio creator in the GoDaddy Studio app. While there, you can create stunning, gorgeous, beautiful content in minutes.
Stunning, right?
I know, right? In minutes, based on AI suggestions, just to boost your social media and further support your email marketing efforts. Come on.
Come on.
Speaking of AI, GoDaddy Airo can create an attention-grabbing logo to define your brand and stay consistent, and you know what? Helps you stay top of mind.
Top of mind. And we've mentioned GoDaddy Airo a few times. If you're curious, check out the link for more. Another way email and social can work together is by posting your email snippets on social media. Leverage FOMO, fear of missing out. Although Jeffrey always talks about JOMO, joy of missing out, and I'm not convinced. but leverage FOMO by posting stories or other timely content about exclusive offers only available to your subscriber list. If you have a wide range of topics, you'll likely grab someone's attention and get them to sign up. And once they have subscribed, you can use AI in an email marketing software that will recognize which topic sent them to the list and can customize email content to them based on that. Oh my gosh, so cool. And we'll talk about email marketing software and this feature in a future lesson.
Now, on the flip side, social media is an excellent way for your email subscribers to engage and offer feedback, love feedback, comments, and insight valuable to your business growth. We always want to grow. We always want to be learning and getting that feedback. It's doubtful someone will reply directly to your email with a comment. However, they are more likely to comment on a social post. This is how social media and email marketing can work together as you tweak those email marketing campaigns.
An example for this might be when you're about to launch a new product. How exciting. And plan to have a big email marketing push. You could test the audience by sending out the product with 3 cover options, prompting them to vote on social media. And this will get more engagement on your social posts and allow you to measure interest from both channels: opens, click-throughs, comments, likes, and of course, the result of the vote on the product covers.
Whatever it is, you want to ensure it's interesting enough to engage your email subscribers. Again, ask an AI chatbot for different scenarios. Put together a calendar to outline an ideal timeline for some of your upcoming email marketing campaigns. And explore with AI what types of posts you could get subscribers to visit social media to like or comment on.
It's a great idea, and I love a good calendar. Prompting AI has become an art form, and we need to discuss it at length in this course so you can leverage AI in email marketing like a pro.
That's right.
And in the next lesson, we'll begin by exploring prompts for email marketing strategy.